Hi friends, I'm Samar Singhania back with a new video of unboxing, and this time I'm going to unbox my new DSLR camera Canon EOS 3000D. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, the box is in my hand, and as you guys see the Canon branding, Canon, the picture of the DSLR, and this is with the EFS 18-55IS second kit lens kit, single lens kit, 1+1 2 years warranty if you register with this, and 16 GB card inside, EOS 3000D branding, and the front image of the DSLR, and the Wi-Fi, inbuilt Wi-Fi, 3 frames per second, EOS movie full HD. It can record full HD movies, ISO 6400, 18 megapixel CMOS sensor, and this side some information, and the viewfinder. Also got this viewfinder, HDMI port in the camera, and the original price is 29,495, and the link is in description if you want to buy this from the Flipkart. And the brand origin is not China, made in Taiwan. Let's open the box. I've already broke the seal. At first we have got this camera strap and the user manual, and after that we got something. We got this warranty card and something, and this is the power cord, and this is the power adapter, and this is the battery, and this is the lens. Let's take it out. This type of lens cap and the lens cover behind, and let me open the battery also, and this type of battery, and the battery capacity is 860 mAh, and this is the power adapter. Let me out the power adapter of the polythene. You can insert the battery like this, and the power cord, you can attach power cord from, let's take out this also. You can attach this, you can attach this like this, like that, and plug into the board, and the battery will charge. And the last is not the last, I think one memory card is also inside the main camera DSLR. This is the, let's throw this box aside, and one SD card also, 16 GB SD card, and this camera. Now let's look around take a look of the full. This is the 2.7-inch screen, and the display button, ISO with the D-pad menu, and the image viewer, recycle button, and zoom in, zoom out, and the modes are also auto portrait mode, landscape mode, sports mode, program mode, AV mode, TV mode, manual mode. There are many modes, and this is the flash of the camera, and this is the cap of the shutter, and this is the EOS 3000D branding, and there you can attach the strap. This is the mic of the DSLR, and there is no external mic port. This is a disappointment, and this is the HDMI port and the cable, and down the card and battery slot here, and the tripod mount. This is the viewfinder. Let me insert the battery and the card in the DSLR camera. Let's insert the battery and card in the camera. Like this, you can insert the let's battery also done, and let's also install the lens in it. You have to do this safely because this is the zooming power of the lens. The DSLR is ready now. Power is on. Scene intelligent auto. You can switch the screen or viewfinder option like this. This is now on the screen and this is now on the viewfinder. This is the external flash port. Guys, I am coming back with a new complete review of this DSLR camera. So till you can subscribe my channel and keep updated. To see the complete review of this DSLR camera, comment down. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe my channel for the latest updates and comment what you want to see in the next video and share the video. Hope you guys like the video, guys. So that's enough for today. Be safe, be positive and take care all. One more thing is, guys, check my other channels also, for example for dancing and gaming, and the link is in the description and you can check out them also. And one more thing is, guys, I've also got this bag with this DSLR camera.